To meet the demands of modern architecture, building materials need to be practical, versatile, and ready to adapt to future changes. Future-proof your next multi-story building project with the next generation in Dovetail deck from Vulcraft and Verco. Our Dovetail product line has been re-engineered for maximum performance, including an enhanced 3.5-inch profile and wider 2-inch profile. The 2-inch profile is 22% wider, which means for the same square footage, there will be fewer bundles to set and fewer panels to lay, making it possible to install our Dovetail faster than ever. Both profiles have been given an improved side-lap configuration, making it easier to install and maintain consistent panel-to-panel gaps. With a seamless appearance, the exposed deck offers a modern, industrial look. In addition to all these improvements, our re-engineered Dovetail profiles feature longer, unshored clear span capabilities, which help create larger, brighter spaces while saving time and money. Recent events have proven that building for the future is just as important as building for today. With that in mind, Vulcraft and Verco are introducing the new Pintail Anchor, made exclusively for our re-engineered Dovetail deck. These new anchors bring an innovative new hanging and anchoring solution to the marketplace, helping to future-proof your next building. Our patented Pintail anchors install easily with one hand, allowing for quick hanging or bracing of mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and more. A safer installation. No drilling required, no noise, no dust, no need to install hanging points prior to concrete placement. Future renovations are easier than ever. These anchors can be removed and relocated effortlessly, allowing for quick and easy renovations. In areas of seismic activity, our Pintail anchors are also the only Dovetail anchor on the market that can handle lateral loads and work as seismic anchors. Future-proof your next building with Vulcraft and Verco's next generation of Dovetail deck and Pintail anchors, an innovative solution that redefines the way you construct and renovate multi-story buildings. Contact our experts to ensure that your next project is built for today and ready for tomorrow.